you ready to have a good show?
Yes, Miss G.
You got this.
Jackson, you ready?
Stand by in 3, 2, 1.
I could take a picture. Hi guys. You can see me. Hello. No.
Okay.
Specific events in the Bible.
On the. I could. Yay! Yeah, there we go.
Is arable land.
God, I pray that you would help us to love you.
There you go.
Open up your Bible to Psalm 1.
In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see